under the weather. We had 16 through 21-year-olds helping me, you know, kalua the pig and do everything from, you know, dressing it up, and then we had all kinds of fish donated. My friend opened up a fish farm, and so we had steamed Chinese-style black bean sauce with garlic fish. And
Keoki, I'm gonna interrupt you right
all
here.
these things.
The one thing you have to do. Here's a project for you.
Yes.
You have to write a Hawaiian cookbook.
I'm actually still working on the book that I started.
We already, you know, actually,
well, the two of you together.
started on
the two of you together then, because you could, I mean, and also kind of intertwine the history of Hawaiian.
What I like to do is actually, I do like the idea of putting the book together, but then that would be like giving away my grandmother's recipe, you know. So I'd have to leave out a few of the ingredients. Yeah, you know, I can't give you guys everything.
As you're present to the world. As you're present to the world, I think the world would appreciate the knowledge that you have of Hawaiian recipes and Hawaiian cooking and the old style of doing it, and the old foods and the traditional way of
we still have a lot of people up here still remember how to cook and stuff. In fact, years ago, I brought up imu stones, and they're actually blessed by the
He
ocean.
made me send up imu stones. Every time I came up, I'd bring up they go, man, this cooler's heavy. What you got in there, rocks? I said, yeah. And I used to send up, remember when the limit was 70 pounds?
Yeah.
So I'd send them up coolers of 70 pounds of imu stones, and
on the airplane.
On the airplane, and they thought we were nuts.
What's the matter? We don't have rocks here? You could
there's different rocks.
These stones explode, the ones that are in California.
You guys have a lot of blue rock?
Yeah, you need them so that it has holes that can hold the heat and when it explodes.
Well, you know, I guess so. Lava, you know, it's born in the fire. So
actually, our friend Nino Bakar has them up here. So it's in his yard someplace.
I'm looking for the huli huli machine, Lino, if you've got it. If not, I know that you're a welder, and I need to have a huli huli machine slapped up together.
I'm not a welder, but Brother Bill might be able to help you there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a welder.
Okay.
Yeah. And a washing machine.
How about some more music? I'm getting too hungry here talking about food. How about a little bit more music? Whatever you guys want to do, it's fine with me.
Okay. I did one, so Kelly, you did one, but we got a tune-up because we changed the strings that are there. Yesterday, you know, when I played with Norton, we did a lot of songs in E and E flat, so my guitar is toned way down. I had to turn it back up.
Excuse me.
Yeah, those new strings will get you every time, huh?
Especially if they're not the right gauge for your instrument.
Oh
Song called Hale Olu, written for by the students, Lahaina Luna, my auntie Leona, and my dad George Kahumoku Jr.
Yeah, for my friend's house called Hale Olu, House of Relaxation in Hana. Wrote this song years ago. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How long ago did you write that song?
1996.
Oh, so it's pretty new.
Yeah.
It's not
Well,
that-
we just released it. It's on a new album, Masters Volume Number 3.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So George, one thing I always wanted to ask you is, why did you decide to pick up the 12-string guitar?
Well, when I was growing up, there was a group that came to town. I was about 10, 11 years old, and came to the Waikiki show. There was Peter, Paul, and Mary, and I think it was Mary who was playing a 12-string. And right there, I fell in love with the 12-string. And I never got to play one until I was like 20 years old or something.
Really?